Hi guys, welcome back. I want to thank everybody for your love and support from last week and every single comment that every single person wrote to me, and I was overwhelmed. I want to thank you. I'm going to go in and respond this week. I'm feeling a little bit better. Just last week was just a huge shock. I didn't know my friend was even sick. I cannot wait to put 2020 behind us. For everybody, we're going to have a great 2021. I just feel it. Today, instead of coloring, I want to put a company in the spotlight. And this company really does deserve it. And that's the Craftys company. They contacted me going back probably about a month and asked if I would review one of their products. And I said sure, because I give everybody a chance. I like little mom and pop shops, and I hope to help them in any way that I can. They gave me their website address, and that was really the most that they told me in the first correspondence with them. They said, just go read our website. And I went there the first time. I didn't really have that much time to spend. I looked at their products. I went in, they said, pick something out that you like. I went in and I picked out a diamond painting of a giraffe. And I told them I would like to review this because most of the companies do give you options. They don't want to send you something you don't like. And that was about it. Well, it didn't take long for the package to get to me. I was really impressed. I didn't really read any of the about the company or anything. If you haven't guessed now or seen like the things that I put out, I love researching into the history of how did you get to this place, and like I did with Prismacolor, and went back to the beginnings. How did you grow as a company? Well, I read David, who is the company founder's bio, and I was so impressed. So now I've gotten a product that was really nice from a company whose mission statement is really good. Now, I'm going to explain to you why this company is different. The founder of the company, I guess he came on hard times emotionally. He didn't get very deep into what it was, but there was something that moved him in his life. So right there's a passion. So with a passion that's not driven by money is automatically going to pique my interest, because as you guys know, my passion is with what I do and teaching art. It's not the money, it's the passion for what I bring to you. I just love it. And on his bio page, or actually it's about the company page, not his personal bio, he founded the company on 3 principles. 1, to bring art therapy to the world. That, I guess, comes from his inner spirit. He also wanted to support artists, and I'm going to get a lot more into that in a minute. And then, of course, he wanted to bring a unique product to the world. And that's how Craftys was born. So far, I really like their company principles. I love their product, and I'm going to show you their product in just a minute. And then I got to this little section on their website as I was diving down the rabbit hole, reading every nook and cranny, not just of their products, but about the company. And I was really interested in understanding how they help artists. And there was a statement about respecting copyright, which, if you know me, every single thing I use, I have a copyright on. Everything I do, I make sure that I give credit to with permission to use in a video, and I never waver from that. What makes Craftys different, they go out and they find artists. The artist uploads their artwork onto their site, and then they turn a picture that is uploaded into a diamond painting or a paint by number. Now, I've never done paint by number, and my father has a new passion for diamond art, so this is an easy one for me, because although I don't do diamond art, my father does it obsessively. He loves it. He can eat them for breakfast. He finishes them every few days and just loves it. And the first thing when we got the package, my father said to me was, "This one feels different. This is really thick." And when I felt the canvas, I was like, yeah, but I don't know enough about diamond painting to be able to compare. It's not like I can compare paper, I can compare pencils, I can compare anything when it comes to do with that type of art. But diamond painting, it's not something that I've been delved into that much. Now I'm going to be, but it's not something where I have my expertise. I just knew that I felt something different about this canvas. So I'm on their website, and there's a whole section on why their canvases feel the way they do. And there's two reasons. One, the quality of the linen that they use to produce the picture on is very good. The second thing is they use poured glue. Apparently, poured glue is a preferred method, and I could feel it. It almost like you could push it in and you feel it going into the picture. And it supposedly holds the drills on much better. So that was an immediate notice from a person who's not an expert. They turn the artist's work into these diamond paintings and these paint by numbers. And then every time somebody buys from their site and they choose a picture that artist did, the artist makes a commission, that's the way it should be. Artists should always be recognized, and too many times they're not, unfortunately. Then I didn't even know this at the beginning because I might have chosen this first, but they have a little section in there where they will take one of your photos and turn it into a diamond art. And you can get up to 45 colors. The only thing you have to do when you're uploading the picture is to make sure it's well contrasted, but that's with any picture, and I teach you that on my channel all the time about contrast and color value. So that's what they say makes the best picture, is a highly contrasted, well valued picture, and that you match the size of the picture to their actual canvas so that they don't have to stretch it and distort the picture. And that's when your pictures come out the best. If I had known this, back when my daughter was getting married, I looked around and I saw some wedding pictures that were done in the crystals, and I was like, I would have so been doing this for my daughter for her wedding. I saw pictures of animals, dogs, your pets, baby pictures. And then for you budding artists, not only will they do this for the diamond paintings, but they'll give you a paint by number. So if you enjoy painting but you feel that you don't have much talent to do a portrait, this is no different than, say, using a grayscale, doing pictures in a grayscale book, and you get tremendous satisfaction. And when you get satisfaction, your endorphins goes up, it's a therapeutic feel. Well, it's the same thing with this, with the other therapy crafts, which are, of course, the diamond painting, and the paint by numbers. Trying a paint by number before you learn how to paint will give you an idea of how to put the colors in. Coming up in the not too distant future, we're going to be doing some stuff like that. Not paint by numbers or color by numbers, but something else that is going to be along those lines that I think you guys are going to really enjoy. So they give you this canvas, and you can get it framed or rolled. Instead of folded, they roll their pictures because it prevents the picture from getting creases. Then they show you videos. Now, I'm all for, when you do crafts, it has to be a video. Come on, that's what I do. And when you're all is said and done, they showed on their website, they showed some of the projects that had been done in the past by their customers, and they were really good. And some of these are the first time artists. Now, I don't paint. My daughter paints. I would probably do a paint by number as my first. I don't know the strokes. I'm not, good at it. My hand doesn't have the muscle memory yet to do painting. Not like I do coloring, because it's a whole different set of muscles that you're using. So this is an excellent way of diving into things. And then they give you the paintbrushes with the kit, which really helps. And I really liked the paintbrushes that they sent me. Very detailed. I'm going to leave a link to their website in the description box below. This is not a sponsored video. I don't get anything from you ordering or not ordering from this company. When I agreed to accept their product for review, I told them off the bat, if I don't like a product, I'm not going to review it. And I just love the fact that you can have you can be doing your own artwork. So check it out. And I will see you guys tomorrow. We've got a lesson bright and early, doing the cupcake. Take care. Bye bye.